Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. PlayLearn Family. 1. Which of the following taxonomic category is represented by Solanum in the scientific name Solanum tuberosum? Options: 1. Family. 2. Genus. 3. Order. 4. Division. Answer: 2. Genus. Explanation: in binomial nomenclature, the first part of a scientific name represents the genus of the organism. Solanum is the genus name for Solanum tuberosum, commonly known as the potato. The species name is tuberosum. 2. Select the incorrect statement. Options: 1. In multicellular organisms, growth and reproduction are not synonymous. 2. A scientific name should be printed in italics according to binomial nomenclature. 3. A museum has preserved plant and animal specimens. 4. Taxonomy includes phylogeny as the basis of classification of organisms. Answer: 4. Taxonomy includes phylogeny as the basis of classification of organisms. Explanation: taxonomy is traditionally based on morphological characteristics for classifying organisms, while phylogeny, which deals with evolutionary relationships, is considered in more advanced systems like systematics. The other statements are correct according to biological norms. 3. Diatoms, which are good indicators of water pollution, are options: 1. Photosynthetic protists. 2. Saprophytes. 3. Heterotrophs. 4. Chemoautotrophs. Answer: 1. Photosynthetic protists. Explanation: diatoms are a type of photosynthetic protist, algae, that contribute to the production of oxygen and serve as indicators of water quality. They perform photosynthesis and are autotrophic, not saprophytic or heterotrophic. 4. The organisms which can fix atmospheric CO and release O as a byproduct is options: 1. Rhizobium. 2. Rhodospirillum. 3. Wolffia. 4. Chlorobium. Answer: 3. Wolffia. Explanation: Wolffia, a genus of aquatic plants, is capable of photosynthesis, which fixes CO and releases O as a byproduct. The other organisms listed either fix nitrogen, rhizobium, or perform photosynthesis without releasing oxygen, chlorobium, a green sulfur bacterium. 5. Prions differ from viroids as the former has is options: 1. DNA as genetic material. 2. Low molecular weight RNA. 3. Proteinaceous in nature. 4. Obligate parasite. Answer: 3. Proteinaceous in nature. Explanation: prions are infectious agents made of protein, with no nucleic acid, unlike viroids, which consist of low molecular weight RNA. Prions are unique pathogens that cause diseases by triggering abnormal folding of proteins in the host's nervous system. 6. Membraneless cell organelle common to both prokaryotes and eukaryotes is options: 1. Lysosome. 2. Vacuole. 3. Ribosome. 4. Spherosomes. Answer: 3. Ribosome. Explanation: ribosomes are membraneless organelles responsible for protein synthesis and are found in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. They are the only organelles present in all living cells regardless of complexity. 7. Which of the following is synthesized during the S phase of the cell cycle? 1. Tubulin protein. 2. Spindle fiber. 3. Deoxyribonucleic acid. 4. Nucleotides. Answer: 3. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Explanation: during the S phase, synthesis phase, of the cell cycle, DNA replication occurs, leading to the synthesis of new deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA, to ensure that each daughter cell will receive a complete set of genetic material. While nucleotides, building blocks of DNA, are essential for this process, they are available in the cell prior to the S phase. tubulin protein and spindle fibers are associated with later stages of cell division, particularly the M phase, where they play a role in mitosis. Question: the respiratory quotient, RQ, of which of the following substrates is less than 1? Options: 1. Proteins, 2. Organic acids, 3. Carbohydrates, 4. Malic acid. Answer: 1. Proteins. Explanation: the respiratory quotient, RQ, is the ratio of the volume of CO produced to the volume of O consumed during respiration. For carbohydrates, the RQ is typically 1 because the amount of oxygen consumed and carbon dioxide produced are equal. Organic acids, such as malic acid, usually have an RQ greater than 1 due to their higher carbon content relative to oxygen. However, proteins and fats have an RQ of less than 1, as they require more oxygen relative to the amount of carbon dioxide they produce. 9. The plant hormone responsible for apical dominance is 1. Cytokinin, 2. Auxin, 3. Ethylene, 4. ABA. Answer: 2. Auxin. Explanation: auxin is the hormone responsible for apical dominance, a phenomenon where the main, central stem of the plant is dominant over side branches. High concentrations of auxin in the apical bud suppress the growth of lateral buds, leading to vertical growth. Cytokinins, on the other hand, promote lateral growth, while ethylene and ABA, abscisic acid, have roles in other plant processes, such as fruit ripening and stress responses. 10. Which of the following hormones promotes bolting? 1. ABA, 2. Gibberellins, 3. Auxin, 4. Cytokinin. Answer: 2. Gibberellins. Explanation: gibberellins promote bolting, which is the rapid elongation of the stem, especially observed in plants like cabbage and lettuce when they flower. Bolting occurs in response to environmental triggers, such as day length, and gibberellins help stimulate this growth spurt. Auxin mainly promotes cell elongation, while ABA inhibits growth, and cytokinins primarily promote cell division. Please subscribe for more video. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.